I think that glycine is one of the most powerful and important amino acids for health in general. First of all, critical amino acid for collagen production. So if you want to look young, make sure you're getting enough glycine. And you probably need about 10 to 20 grams a day. Most people are not getting that quantity. So we have 3 grams of glycine in Sleep Breakthrough. And the glycine will help lower your body temp. It will help improve your REM. And here's my favorite part of glycine is that the next day, if you didn't get enough sleep, you'll actually feel way more refreshed than if you don't use it. And then the flavoring wise, we're using blue spirulina. We're using some organic berry powder, some stevia, and then we have some bamboo powder, which gives you silica, which is also great for your nails and your hair. So there's kind of some beauty benefits to Sleep Breakthrough from the glycine, from the silica. And again, you'll feel much better the next day and you'll improve your collagen production and some other things. So that's a phenomenal formula.
This really is like the most nutrient rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code